Explorer.
explore in a way that I want to travel the world, I want to learn from the world, and hopefully also share the world to the rest of the people who might not be as fortunate as I am.
Sir Eric, now let's talk about one-on-one conversation. So to start off, maybe you can tell us more about yourself and how you started Riego de Dios Consultancy, Sir Eric.
Where do we start? No? Akala ko kasi 1 hour lang eh. Pero if we have 25 hours, probably I can narrate all of the 25 years of experience that I have in HR. But at any rate, no, siguro nagsimula, kailan ba natin simulan? Siguro yung pinaka-short na lang is, I'm an explorer. Explore in a way that I want to travel the world. I want to learn from the world, and hopefully also share the world to the rest of the people who might not be as fortunate as I am. So I'm an explorer in a way kasi I promise ko din sa wife ko that every year we will be going to a different country. So that also amplifies our being together and at the same time learning together, no? So far because we're more than 20 years last year, 21st year this year, but we already been to 27 countries together. 28 pala, sorry, 29 countries. 29 countries. Malaki, no? As I realize it. But overall, I've been to more than 51 countries as well. So hopefully, we as long as we're able to, we'll be able to also travel more and more. No? So this year, or probably early next year, God willing, hopefully we'll be able to go to Antarctica as well. So that's something that we wanted to explore. I'm also a husband. Sabi ko man, explorer, husband. And I'm also a child of God. Now, how would I consider myself a child of God? Wala lang. Kasi essentially, my wife and I, we sort of, together with our other couples, we try to reinforce the strength of marriage. No, so I'm also involved in in sort of discipleship or sort of marriage counseling in a way. Now we strengthen each other and learn from each other through a Christian-based conversations on a weekly basis. Yeah, in a nutshell.
Sige, dami palang interest mo, Sir Eric, ha?
Pero may nabanggit ka din, di ba? Sabi mo, how did I start?
How did you start? Yeah,
yes,
how did you start?
Riego de Dios Consulting, no? Yeah. So, sabi ko nga kasi madaming pasikot-sikot kung paano nagsimula yung Riego de Dios Consulting. So, para sa ating mga listeners, in a way, no? Nag-start to siguro nung pa lang, high school or college. Because in high school or college, we already started doing in college kasi sa UPD naman, meron kaming programa tinatawag naming Pahinugod.
Pahinugod, yes.
Tapos ito yung pagkakataon namin na sana maka-reach out. May pagka-CSR in a way, pero immersion as well, and how you will be able to impact the society and in your own way, be able to help and uplift the society as a whole. No? Siguro dito nagsimula yung longing ko to help the Filipino nation to be a better place for everyone. Na-realize ko din when I was growing in my profession, not all organizations have access to best-in-class HR practices. No? So, maganda sana na mas ma-democratize natin ito, mas maging accessible sa lahat ng mga HR practitioners, malinang natin yung galing ng lahat ng mga Filipino HR practitioners natin, makita ng mga SMEs, ng mga entrepreneurs kung gaano kalaki yung potential impact ng HR sa kanilang organization with the right training, with the right tools, with the right framework. So, it's a dream, no? So nung nakita ko din yung mga adikain ninyo dito sa O-Learn, sabi ko parang nag-resonate. Medyo malaki yung overlap. Kaya sabi ko, so siguro I think a great partnership could be forged with this, no? And ang magbe-benefit at the end of the day would be our entrepreneurs. Kasi essentially mga HR practitioners natin win in the Philippines. 20% lang yung nakikita mo dito sa Ortigas, yung mga nasa malaking building. 80% niyan nandyan sa mga probinsya, nasa mga pabrika, nasa mga maliliit na kumpanya. Paano naman sila? Diba? So, they also have the right to have access to best practices kasi pinagsisilbihan din naman nila yung mga Pilipino.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Eric. Yan nga. tama ka eh. I see a lot of alignment between Riego de Dios and Ulearn. Kasi yun nga, you said you're an explorer. Tas kami, yung app learning adventures namin, the courses, we call them learning adventures. So
Yes,
talagang
oo,
pang-explorer siya.
Oo. And
Yeah.
actually, tama ka dyan kasi you don't necessarily need to be geographically
Yeah.
away, di ba? You can actually explore and be an explorer even if nandito ka na sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas. No? Through those channels din. No? So,
Tas sabi mo rin about democratizing knowledge. So yun, I think that's the reason behind magaling lahat. We want everyone,
that's
yun nga,
right. Oo.
everyone to shine given the
Everyone
right
to shine. Yes.
training and opportunity. So yeah, a lot of alignment between Ulearn and Riego de Dios Consulting.